Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add a new Pinterest account to your previous account. So the first thing you need to do is from the home menu, you click on the arrow next to your profile icon, the arrow next to it, and then you click on add Pinterest account. So you can connect existing account if you have another account with a different email address, or you can create a new personal account, or you can create a free business account. Now, if you use connecting existing accounts, you connect Pinterest account with different email addresses for seamless account switching, so you can switch between them. So if you are creating a new personal account, you are creating a separate account, another email address. If you want to do that, you click on create. If you want to do the connect, you click on connect here. Now, if you want to create a free business account, it will help you grow your audience, drive traffic, and sell more products. If this is the one you want, you click on create, and then you follow the online prompt, and that's it. So let us say I want to create a free business account, so I click on create here. So you have to put in your email address, password, date of birth, and click on create account. Now don't forget, it has to be a different email address. Let's say this is the email address I want to use. So you put in a new set of password. After putting your password, you put in your date of birth. Then you put in the year. And then you click on create account. So as you can see, I've used this email address before. That's the problem, so you have to use a new email address. I want you to click on create account and the account will be created. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.